Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a fantastic 2-bedroom retirement apartment here in Cavendish Court. Now this is number 29, and you can see already how conveniently located it is within close proximity to the lift access. Now the building itself is a popular option here within central Herne Bay, within only a short walking distance to the shops and onto the seafront, and of course the local transport links right on your doorstep. Now coming straight through in from the main entrance hallway, we've got that fantastic modern shower room on the left hand side. First of 2 bedrooms on the right, second through here just along and on the right hand side again. This room in particular, particularly nice there with the dual aspect windows to the front and to the side. You'll see there that we've already got the fitted wardrobes, and then we'll go through and take a look at the main living space here. Really nice light, bright and open space to enjoy, with access through into the kitchen just down the right, and a very convenient cupboard here just behind us. So the building itself is a popular option with lift access and 24-hour attention as well. Fantastic building within central Herne Bay. An opportunity that I'm sure you won't want to miss. This has been number 29 at Cavendish Court. I really do hope you enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.